I love those spinning ones on the on the ground.
Yeah, they're neat.
Man, look at that pretty thing. Hey Larry, you wait till the grand finale comes.
This is nice. I like this.
Oh, this is much better than ever. But
Well,
I mean, this is more money too.
of course it is.
Hey, I was at awe last year. That's all I can tell you. Still am. I think it's cool. I'm just glad that guy wasn't driving any faster. I'm just glad he wasn't driving any faster. I mean, he caught that. He really tore my truck backwards, sideways, or slammed into yours.
Then I don't think I would have been nice.
Oh, that was cool.
I heard the sound.
I heard my truck
I saw your truck.
shook. My arm was on it. I thought somebody dropped the tailgate.
I'm just glad nobody got it. This isn't a good talking about those ones that last forever. Those are pretty long. Like a Christmas. I'll tell you.
Pop's got a special race.
That was a big one. Look at that thing.
Way better than ours.
bright that is.
Yeah, it's really bright. How cool is that?
Wow.
She's like, we know what it's Grandpa now. I was like, okay, there's Grandpa. I was
You see over there the campground over there.
Yeah, that's that campgrounds. That's cool.